Hello and welcome to Conf42 Quantum Computing 2022. We are thrilled to touch upon this topic. This event was made possible by our amazing media partners: ATLevel, AWS, BPB, DevIT Jobs, Forte Group, InfoSec Conferences, Manning, Media7, and Pact. The opening keynote will be presented by Radu Marginian. Join him to discover Uranium.
Uranium is an open-source visual quantum computing platform. At its core, it comprises an extremely powerful circuit editor and a high-performance simulator that can run in your browser or offline. It features a large collection of predefined gates, many of which are not available elsewhere. The editor is easy to use, is productive, and supports exporting to external formats. Using our platform, in a matter of minutes, you can create and simulate advanced quantum circuits. Thank you for joining in, and we are eager to receive your feedback.
In the second keynote, Sam Samuel, the CTO of Mobility Business Group at Cisco, will tell you why, in order to scale quantum computers, the communication between them is key.
Hi folks, please join me in my talk on quantum communication challenges in scaling quantum computers. This is a generally informative talk that looks at the application of quantum technologies to communications. We first begin by looking at the potential threat that a successful quantum computer could have on the current security of current networks. And then we turn the tables completely by looking at how the exact same principles could be used to provide a quantum communication network, and look at the challenges we would face should we choose to go down that particular path. It should be fun. Hope you enjoy the conference.
Quantum computing, implications for security, is the third exciting keynote by Robert Slade. Quantum computing has been seen in trade, research, and even science fiction literature as a way to crack encryption keys with ease. With the advent of the first practical and now commercial quantum computing devices, it is possible to see that such a universal decryption application is likely a long ways off. On the other hand, there are some very interesting applications that are much closer, with implications both positive and negative for information security. This presentation will provide a brief outline of the realities and limitations of quantum computing, and then look at a wide variety of applications and implications in all domains of security. This is all we've got for you today at Conf42 Quantum Computing 2022. The first edition of our tiny but important conference. We really hope you enjoyed the keynotes. Those will be going live right after this video ends. Please feel free to join our Discord server to have a chat with Radu, Samuel and Robert in the #Quantum Computing channel. Conf42 will strike back in September with a couple of online events and some partnered in-person events, so please make sure to RSVP to stay informed about all great things to come. That was Mark. Thank you so much and have an excellent summertime.